Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use live translation function in Samsung Galaxy A06 device. So guys, as you know that we don't have any feature of a live translation function, but we're going to use a third-party application from the Play Store. So first of all, just go to Play Store and here search for Speak and Translate. So this one is the application, by the way guys, Speak and Translate language. All you guys have to do just install this application. Okay, now after installing, just open it. Guys, make sure that this application contains some ads as this is a free application. Now click to continue again and start now. First time we have an ad. Now skip video. Okay, so just click to translate guys, and we can write the text. We can also use the recording option or audio option. So I want to change it in German. So all you guys have to do just write hi, how are you, and then click to translate. So as you guys see that it is now converted into German. So by the way, I don't know the accent of the German language, so but this is how we can translate it. So guys, this is the application Speak and Translate, and I suggest you guys to install this application on your Galaxy A06 device. And that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.